This is the Target of Bullhead City, Arizona. They have the fireworks up. They have game mode, poppets, smoke balls, ground blue flowers, Taco Tuesday, 3-pack super value fountains, and then new for this year, brand new assortments, Storm Surge, Megastorm, Thunderbolt, come around the Storm Surge, look at it. Whimsy, Disco Turkey, smoke balls, and then they have a giant 3-pack fountain assortment, rainbow sticks, Mad Trolls, Sea Princess, Megastorm assortment, sparklers, closer look at the Thunderbolt assortment, two-pack glow sabers, and closer look at Megastorm. So these are the fountains that are at Target in Bullhead City, Arizona.